The market theme Nifty cotton sell-off. The return of risk. Bullish sentiment takes a hit as geopolitical fears resurface, triggering fresh selling pressure on Dalal Street. The biggest negative catalyst, WTI crude oil surged above $75 per barrel. Oil prices have surged as Middle East tensions escalate after President Trump declared the ceasefire effectively over and warned of further strikes on Iran. Our call of the day: any intraday surge in Nifty is likely to attract profit booking ahead of marquee Q1 earnings announcements. Focus shall shift towards Tata Consultancy Services, which will officially fires the ceremonial starter's pistol for India's Q1 FY27 earnings season this Thursday, 9th July 2026. Bottom line: trade selectively on leveraged long positions. Trade light and stay nimble as geopolitical clouds once again hover over Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's massive sell-off session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1963 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 790 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty appears headed for a phase of massive consolidation, with prolonged volatile action quite likely. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked 26% towards 14.08 levels in yesterday's volatile session. At last check, USD INR, July, has firmed up higher towards 95.72 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.81. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.60. Midcap Nifty is at 0.88. Nifty outlook: brace for volatility as geopolitical jitters and profit booking weigh on bullish momentum. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 22,882. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,621 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,600 and 24,000. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Sensex, CMP 76,504. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,351 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 77,171 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,300 to 77,000. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 56,743. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,300 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,300 and 57,300. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Stock market news. The IMF retained its 2026 global growth forecast at 3%, citing resilience to geopolitical shocks and strong AI-led investment, while raising its 2027 projection to 3.4% from 3.2%. However, it cautioned that downside risks remain elevated amid renewed US-Iran tensions. India is expected to remain the fastest-growing major economy, with GDP growth projected at 6.4% in 2026 and 6.7% in 2027. Sectoral and stock preference. Sectors likely to outperform. FMCG, defensive buying amid risk-off sentiment. Pharma and healthcare safe haven play during heightened uncertainty. Power and utilities, relatively resilient in volatile markets. Select defense stocks, geopolitical tensions could keep sentiment supportive. Gold financing precious metals may benefit if safe haven demand persists. Sectors likely to underperform. Oil marketing companies, OMCs, rising crude oil prices could pressure margins. Aviation, higher ATF costs remain a key overhang. Auto input cost concerns and risk-off sentiment. Paints and chemicals, vulnerable to crude-linked raw material inflation. Capital goods, high beta industrials likely to witness profit booking ahead of Q1 earnings. Stocks to watch. Positive bias, Sun Pharma, Divi's Lab, DR. Reddy's Lab, ONGC, All India, Titan. Negative bias, Indigo, BPCL, HPCL, IOC, Asian Paints, Burger Paints, Geo Financial,